Good afternoon for outside the country people them. Plenty glad for meet up una for this side so for Equinox Story House as we take happen. Chapter for this afternoon we go talk Palava Fire we visit Wakago for that side so for Bonamusa the market. That one happen early this morning time. We go take una to go for that side so where they call am saying Jiko na some village where e dey for west for talk away picking the way they the learn book. They did hear bad. Now the same condition to one day they did for Douala here too. They did hear bad for Palava School for 21st century. Now so to go tonton we talk as we DO for Bongem. Now for that side so for Meme division it is also tonton for meet up people the way they put them say make it look at them. Now for that side so for Mbonge subdivision. This far side we don't go we go try for show now and for talk the Palava way it is so. A meet up for road. Toriwe newspaper then to the talk, we go talk this afternoon. Big part talk, he say waiting. He say Mami Fowl, he no fit go sleep on top stick. Mami Fowl, he no fit go sleep on top stick. I dey come back small time. Plenty good afternoon for this side so for Equinox Story House. So waiting, so crime. A day for market people them, business people them. For that side so for Bonamusa the market. Early this morning time for 5 o'clock. Make we enter for inside this chapter. We talk Palava Fire. We meet up people then so for that side for Bonamusa the market for early this morning time con the people them. Plenty store them for that side. They don't take burn as soon as the sea fire way start around 5 o'clock. So for early this morning time con the people them. No man no take Sabi waiting. It happen before fire start cash. But Sabi say one time police for fire people them as well they call them. They run go for that place for start see as well they lost this fire. This fire according to waiting where people they talk. It dey like say na time every year fire it must to catch for that side for market for Bonamusadi. But police people dem say they be there for cover the whole place so that bad belle people they no go enter for store them for tifting them. So now no man no fit talk plenty wait way he make this fire for cash for that side so for Bonamusadi market. But Sabi say plenty people them they don't lost their cargo them inside this market where it dey so fire e burn. One of the person in Adima way e the kick where he dey so he say he don't lost like some 5 million only for Sika the fire where he burn. Other plenty people they dey where they cry for Sika this fire where he cash for this early morning time. No man he never so sabi why the fire take cash and according to Toru here we sabi say fire for this market no be na strange thing. It dey come for day all time and all the time where they ever come na time where they don't enter for December moon. Before fire wan enter Bonamusa the market we be talk away fire. It be day two for that side for Nyala. So it come up for Nyala market side. It go now for that side for Bonamusa the. Make we take sitting where we say so we see this early morning time. We no go talk no nothing.
Je suis en train de faire un bon travail.
So now so it take pass for Bonamusa the market this early morning time. Fire where it work so He visit people them for that side, so country people them. Now, so we go enter for different chapter. Make we take style. We enter for this palava for Esama, country people them. So now, this aboki for French woman where they be put on so for just for we corner here for roundabout for Equinox as well the TikTok now so that thing it never come back for them make we fit enter for inside this palava for aboki yes this aboki so on a member yesterday where it be then a Thursday esama way they so na person way in the fight say make na only we Cameroon brother them where they don't help country say make it be way to day to them make the look them then try for give them congratulate for two way they don't do it vex after where they can put this woman aboki where you know even mean no nothing esama call people them e say make we push am make we push it in so they make it for more push am then to the try so they we know the esama the talks una can't put hand we must put it in for ground you dey apologize for waiting self now the thing that way people that they ask her waiting need the back say make people they sorry no man you know sabi but esama you know be like the thing where it take happen two people then they try so they we know they yes they try push am we know they another man too he go can't put hand for that side yes another person too he must to can't put hand for inside this charter so called people them for see whether they fit push am three people they come join hand push am oh boy can't put hand most here will push it in for down voila then for now so they do all kind of style so they this thing voila it last for that the all man he run come on go for his own end it's a masasep way na isesep he take and he push am he too he run enter for inside Okada enter for Sosongo people they do only campus on top that aboki wey na woman so now as well they talk the place is also the empty they never member say they can put different thing na so e take pass for inside wala here as well esamam where e don can put John Gufoncha e aboki for the same place they can comot am na so to say e vex e can comot one way governor delegate e don give order to say make they put am but sabi say this one na just for open eye. Yes, now just open eye for Sika say time when Samafini do the one, he just walk up, people there, Okada people they say they just already start climb on top. One day where they even go peace. Yes, Esama they can't hold Esama they go put them for on top Okada say, oh boy, can we go one time, can we go? Yes, Esama saying that kind of thing it no go happen for inside the Douala, it no go happen for inside Cameroon. Enter for on top Okada start go you one time. Yes, before Esama go so people them. Yes, traffic. It takes that pass for that place. We'll be showing the one yesterday for live for this side so for Equinox story house. So certain now that aboki in also so the day as well the TikTok the one na the vex for Esama yesterday for inside Douala here. Make we turn back we hear wait people them where they be day for the place they TikTok whether the two Esama do if fine or if no find them. Make we hear as well they talk.
Samadu do na very good thing. I be very happy because it not be normal. For the come on, they don't tell why is it for why they don't put Africa on for your country. They kind of come on because they not be normal and be very normal where Samadu do am. I be very happy today. I sleep very well. Today I sleep fine in my house because naturally since I say why yes they don't put that in it. I be very worried. So to the moment I call my mom and say but you hear to the part my times because the moment for night I turn back say for news. That's I don't even know. I ask my mom and say but now what did they pass? So tell me say one pass go easy the way they put it. I said but me I did I don't know. Before the moment I want come and say some stand with some I told say they will book the chat. I told say no it be very normal how they book them because it not be normal. No I say Facebook they will come now the control we John some I want put this for John for every day. That day police they say now all Douala all policemen for Cameroon come for they can't hold him they drag the thing they can go. They go for put now married for a country where don't fight for a country. They not go put different man where come when a stranger it not be normal. Alright, they try to find me. You know one from my son them for here. Yes. Yeah, no. Now from my son them, from my son African. Now self from my son them they take them for go give them for white man people them. That from say when they don't want put them for here, we don't want them. With the Sutani of the summer now with all we block. We want to say summer now we own man. Yeah, no the man. Yes, summer. See why they do them. Na man na better man na better African. No be na that way na dey make. Avant de tirer sama na d'abord nous tirer. Na that delegate government na from my son. That delegate government na from my son. And them are there for talk. Why?
Now the Made for top. Now franc-maçon them. They don't put monument for franc-maçon for Sojuko. All sides. Now them. Now so what they want, we won't put them for Feu Rouge. We know when that kind of monument. When they put monument where people we don't die, where they don't die for we. Le Bahum Yobele Wanshi. Les Moumiers, all that come they don't die for we.
Yes.
Douala Magabel, les Kinakwa, les Kinakwa, Matin pour Samba, then when them put na them statue. Les Chala Tangara them, when them put na them on statue.
Amanda Iso.
I want to tell you. Voilà, first na continue faire Aïcho.
Pas fauchevé.
So now so people them they be feel or the thing where they be get for talk for inside chapter for this palaver for waiting, palaver for that aboki where they tray. We go left that chapter now, so we go for Yawende, we enter for inside Sine them their own house. Sabi say walk, it don't start back for the normal. Yes, walk, it don't start back for inside Sine them, except for that side. This one now after we some small pungu, it be take happen with SDF man and so another person for inside CPDM, senator them, they be get some small misunderstand, they be get some small confusion inside, so they it be take na say make Nyad Masenji Fenji is stop at the small meeting where the senator then they be get where they be talking na palava for country. So for Sikada one, they be stop some small work for that side. So the meeting it be get for happen with Nyad Masenji Fenji when a big man for inside Senate and the SDF senator then. But that's all they talk, work, it don't start back normal after with the small confusion will be happen for inside Senate their house for that side, so for Yawende. Now, when this confusion be happen, we will get opportunity to foresee Sideway SDF senator them, they be shidon, they no be enter them inside the hall. They talk say sote, they talk for palava for Northwest and Southwest, inside program for Senate. Now only that time they go fit for enter. For Sikada one, then they no be enter for inside hall. Sote it be then and say serious meeting it began for happen with big man for inside Senate, Nyad Masenji Fenji, and some other people then for SDF. After they finish talk, Nyad Masenji Fenji when a big man for Senate people them, it talk say okay, we go put this palava for Northwest and Southwest inside with agenda. Now for that side with SDF senator then to they join enter now, so they continue for work. So Sabi say just as we happen for National Assembly, it be one happen to for inside Senate, but last peace it turn back for that side. We go take una now, so we talk palava with small brother them, one the way they grow for up. We go take una go for that side, where they call them saying Njiko, yes, Njiko na village for that side, so 20 kilometers when you come up for Banjul, na from Kunki. They want it take them, na school this, where it is on a government school, primary school for Njiko, for that side, so from Kunki, yeah, for Banjul side. Na school this way, they so they use now one class for teach small pikin there. Yes, make we try for enter inside the class, we see now the school this. Now for inside, when I say they don't divide place for inside the school, see they use na math for divide the school. Where it means say inside one class you get plenty, inside one house you get plenty school the way they don't divide them. So even please yourself, now please say that where he been a headmaster, it is done now for the same place where they teach pikin them. It means say no get private office. When rain it fall for this school, all the pikin them they must wait. Please say them, they must wait. Even headmaster wanna see with the chair, he must wait. Now headmaster office that. It she done with a pikin them. Now it means say no office no day for headmaster. Headmaster no get no office. If you want to invite for any person, he go come meet up in a so for inside class here. You see how they divide and all. Now school that and now so the pikin they suffer for government primary school. See how they negotiate. See how they peace. See. So the pikin that they hear bad, this kind of condition so for take learn. Pikin go get it, pikin no get sense, normal sense. How the pikin go manage learn? How the pikin go manage put your head for book? When you the tie pikin them inside one class. Inside the wala two different in no day. Make we take una go for Bonaberry. Now amateur image. Make una try for Sia. This school so on at the Sia and so for Bonaberry. Now the wala for with the enter so. This school one, he get nursery school 1, he get primary 2, and a French and a English side. All the dey for inside one house. Yes. Then the inside one house, if see how the thing dey. Space is there for all corner. You see how this picking them now for Douala this. So it means say if that one for Njiko, it dey so. Make we no blame them. Now the one this way dey for Douala for Bonaberi. Since highway picking the land. When rain is fall, it is show picking the pepper. When sun is shine, it show picking the pepper. See war for class. I say we see war. Government school for inside Bonaberi. Una see no? See how we picking the suffer too. So it means say if the one for Njiko it dey so, make we no vex. The one too for inside Douala too, again for Biso, they don't abandon. Inside one house, you get primary when English and French, nursery too, a day for the same place. Now which can I suffer that? Which can I suffer? They say na government primary school for Bonaberi. See how we dey. You see how? See war. See. So now we country, we go do how? We go left chapter for book now, so we enter for chapter for Waka for DO. We take on go for Meme division, where Oga DO says where they call it say BK Befolo Search Alain. And they continue Waka today, as well the TikTok. But before you want to go for place where they go today, it be there for that side, so for Kwakwa, it be there too for that side, so for Bakundu. Make we enter for inside image, so start talking for Bakundu side, for Kwakwa side, and that it be get some small problem with this young boy. He be talk his own talk, but the OSSF he had a confused. He began for call all the chief them for ask them question, ask them waiting in the happen. But after that one, even as well, that one he be worried Oga DO, Beke Befolo Search Alain, he work for that side, so for Kwakwa, now for inside Bonge subdivision where Kwakwa he form, he be they will fine. After he come on go for that side for Bakundu, for Bakundu side to all thing, he take pass fine, as well people they talk say, make it come good. But Sabi say all the work the radio they do, and so population they tell them their trouble, and one of their trouble now say some they no get school, some then too they no get waiting, they no get classroom. So now all the kind small thing in that way it they worry people them for that village site for under Bonge subdivision. We na Bekie Befolo Search Alain. It be Nadia big man like a DO for that side. Make we hear wait chief for that side, so for Bakundu, he take talk, and even some councillor for that side, so for Kwakwa, he take talk inside one interview.
Very problem of land. We some community now, some people they want. So it make we now the chiefs and the natives and the stranger elements they will go court every day. We also get a problem of water, lack of supply of water. So we ask for an assistant for Bonge Council. We have a problem of school. Children are not going to school. We are not trying to prepare our divisional officer. I don't try my own effort, like the chief. I don't try to sensitize my population. Some are even threatening to kill me.
Truly, if get something for tell DO, now for tell DO, say may tell the head of state say it don't meet a peaceful community where they call them Simbalange Kumbe, and we think say like Oliver Twist. We need plenty of things from the government of Cameroon. We think say may government give we government technical school. We think say may government give we government high school. We think say may government send we teachers them plenty qualified teachers to teach all these people in the way they don't decide to go to school for Balangi village.
Yes, now people them that for Mbonge subdivision, village already they under Mbonge subdivision. Now so we go take now, we see the bad and the good side for DO Iwaka for village and for inside Mbonge side.
Yeah, because now we didn't so now we didn't now. We haven't declared. We don't even know whether we can have TV or not. Yeah, it's now we did. We don't even know whether we can have TV or not. Dress, I don't address how. I have good dress. Address how. Address how. Address how. Address now how address. You know me. One or a poor one, I can't have TV or not. None of that.
Even Papa God don't talk, say no be na all time. You go get in the way, go be okay, good for your side. One time you must to meet up some kind of thing them where you no go live for meet up, and so now some of the thing the way they so do you meet up as well they continue work as well TikTok, be follow search Alain, they continue work for other villages inside Bonge subdivision today, and as well the pass we too go surely the get as waiting they take pass for that side. Last story for this afternoon we go show now with the photo for Tekuna go for Boya. Say 2 ministers them also they day for Boya as well the TikTok just now. Now for talk last bye for that army people them, gendarme people them, police where it so they be kill them for that side. So for Southwest County people them, all them they be dying now for that side for Manfe as well take Sabin. So we Sabi say Minister for Defense Edgar Allen he did him Betty Joseph Asomo he did for day plus even person where they in charge for police all them they be there for that side for Boyam for talk bye for all these people the way all these our Kamamburu people them where it they so they be kill them for that side. So for Manfim normal image for this Ngando we take pass this crime Ngando sorry Ngando we pass Oboya today we go surely bring up for now for time we will go turn back for year on Monday. But for news today Sabi say news today una go see all that in them for Equinox Tory House. Now so we take the country for this afternoon, make we enter for Toriwe newspaper people they take talk this afternoon. So for this side, one time make we take una enter for the first story we will get on this afternoon. Now the Guardian Post, yes, waiting be the Guardian Post we come out today we talk. One of the strong number then I say waiting. Buhari he don't give help for Popo for fight this palava people the way they want divide we country. The one now after we some the person way he did represent Buhari for country where they call an a high commissioner for Nigeria he be meet up with Popo for inside Unity Palace for it to decide. They talk some kind of small kind secret in them. But one of the things I say Buhari don't talk say he go help Popo for fight people the way they want divide we country for two sides. So for palava for Northwest and Southwest, all the kind what thing the way they don't happen for Northwest and Southwest. Now some of the things that way it dey for inside Dongamen where African Union they get today as well the TikTok. Just now SDO2 for that side so for Memem it don't give serious warning. It don't knock comfortable say make no meet where it happen where na chief then the happen they talk palava for Northwest and Southwest for inside. Now some of the things that where the Guardian Post will come out today it take talk the post weekend that too for this out today it talks about in one. It say people them bishop for inside Douala here where they call him Samuel Kleda. He don't talk plenty. Yes, he talk plenty for this palava for Northwest and Southwest. He don't vomit fire. So if you want Sabiti where Samuel Kleda take talk, now for you for enter for inside the post weekend that way he come out. Plus other thing them this Manfe site where Kamamburu people there they kill them. The Thursday as well Kamamburu people them they don't flood the whole place. Now so village people then too for Manfe they did run come up for their village for Sika say they did fear this chapter. Other small top story the day where they post it take happen now for this afternoon. Make we enter for Nouvelle Expression we come out to this Friday. Palava fire for that side so for National Assembly. Person where he be na person wey get sense plenty for inside palava for investigate. He don't start talk small for inside this palava for fire where he take cash show for that side for Yawende. Now one of the top strong number than that where he did so Nouvelle Expression he take a talk this afternoon plus other small hot number them where they did for corner. Now for you for enter for Sabiti we take talk. Last story will enter for inside na I for Sahel. If you want talk and fine for French. Now Lloyd the Sahel where he come out to them. He talks everything. Say Tikala Kemoni. He don't talk back for the who LPM. Wait in Tikala Kemoni. He talk back for LPM. Now for you for enter for inside I for Sahel. You go sabi to a tech talk. Lloyd the Sahel as well they call them for French. Other hot number them they did for inside Lloyd the Sahel way he come out today so we na Friday. Country people them now with that Tory newspaper side we want to finish Tory for this week. We want to talk say if we people them for outside they know for day we say no profit for do and fine. We dey thank all people them, we camera people them. I want to say big thank you for Ginny Edmond and Boo Stella. Una day for that side for Birmingham. I want to say big thank you. Davidson Maimo for Limbe, Derek Jato, you there for Boya site, Ogalai, you there for Kumbam. Inside Wala here, we get people that like Jackie Nomunum, we there for Lum site, and Edi Lookout Kupe Maninguba site. We want to say big thank you for Steve Ebule, Chief Robert Mukubem, and Claude Ukwa, aka Ash Tese, where they help us make we get image them for this site, and all the other work we put them for inside house. PG New Debates, it come for all Saturday them. Sabi say it happen from 12:30, Sote it land for 1:30. With the textile, we say big happy weekend for all of outside them. Japte Quarters, as Sabi say the look we just now for side for Tico site. Make una hold on tight. Na Sote for tomorrow for PG News Debate.